Hello traders, and welcome back to my channel again. So today it's on Tuesday, and I want us to do a trade recap from yesterday and today's trades. So today I haven't taken any trade on USD Swiss franc, but I took a trade on AUD CAD in the morning. As you can see, it has been trending into my positions, and later it seems like it's going up. I don't know if it's a retest, if I took an early entry, I don't know, but we will see what will happen here, because I took a sell position. As you can see here at the top where I took my entry, you can see that we had an individual candlesticks upside here and then a bearish engulfing. After giving a bearish engulfing, I waited for the second candlestick also, which gave us also a momentum that showing us the sellers are in control. So I took a position of a selling position, and this market has been trading to this previous 4-hour high here, and now it has pulled back to my stop loss area. So I don't know if it will hit my stop loss before going down, or it's just a retest. So let us go to USD Swiss franc. I am interested in taking a USD Swiss franc position, short position. As you can see, yesterday I took a position, a selling position 2. I took this one and it got at P, and later I saw a pullback, and after pullback I saw these two bearish candlesticks here. That's why I decided to enter another second position here. So here I took a position knowing that this market, it was just maybe a small pullback and then continues to go down, but it didn't go that way. It went a little bit and then later it gave me a stop loss. As you can see, we have a previous 4-hour high and we have a previous 4-hour low. So at this point, I normally mark my market like this way. So I wait for the breakout of this zone, previous high and previous low. So when the market come and retrace on this previous 4-hour low or high, I take a position of a sell. So as for now, currently where the market is going in this chart, we are seeing that bears are in control. So according to my yesterday previous 4-hour high and previous 4-hour low, it was being broken, and after being broken I took a selling position which was got a hit TP, and later the market just went back again and retested this area, and after retesting it has given us a huge weak candlesticks, of which meaning that this market is dropping to the downside. So I'm interested in entering a position, a sell position here, so that we can see what will happen in our in this market, if it will go into our side or the other way around. So I have to take that place my stop loss upside there, and then my TP to target this low, this swing low. So this 1:3 reward 1:3 risk to reward ratio. So let us go to XAU USD. So on XAU USD, it's also clear that I have been trying to take a selling position since this market retested this supply zone area that you can see I marked here, a supply zone area. And after marking this supply zone area, we also have this trend line. So let me widen this. So when I zoom very well, you can see that we have a point of interest down here, and we have a fair value gap, of which we have also an order block downside here. So when you look to the left side, you can see that we have a supply zone area, which market has been already tapping it multiple times, more than 3 times. So on the other way around, we also have a trend line. This trend line is from a daily chart, whereby this market has been dropping since January, and this is where the price is right now. As you can see on this trend line, the market is trying to retest that trend line. When we zoom, you can see it's trying to go to reach this trend line, but it haven't touched it yet. But as long as we can see, we have a double top. So you can see inside our previous 4-hour high and the previous 4-hour low, we have a double top here. This is the first top. We have this and this one. So after having this, we have also a neckline here. After having this neckline, so let me make it simple. So here we have a neckline. This is our neckline. After the market broke into this through this neckline, it has been consolidating, and after consolidating, you can see that this market it's kind of creating something like bearish box or bearish rectangle. So when we mark this high and the low of it and then we extend, you can see that this is just a rectangle, and this is a drop and this is a rectangle. So I'm only waiting to see a breakout from this level and give a retest and then continues to go down. I'll be targeting this area, or this market, it can come and do what? And sweep liquidity higher before going where? Going down to this level again. So that's what I'm looking for me to take a position in this XAU. I'm only looking to take a selling position or to take a buying position if this market will come and break these trend lines above. So when it will come and break it, I will wait a retest on this trend line again and take a buying position to the upside, to the higher high or to the previous higher swing. So this is what I was just saying on Sunday. If you watched my video, my previous video, I posted it on Sunday. So that was my anticipation. I was only looking to sell this market, most especially on XAUSD. So you can see this market has been just choppy. It doesn't give a direction, but most of the traders have been making money through this small move, this a pullback, because people took a buying position. But as for me, I only stick to my strategy. So what my strategy is showing me to do is what I will do. Whether the market is going this other way around, I won't follow that. I will only look for selling positions. So that is it for my trade recap. So before I wrap up, I want to help you with something. So in case you are a trader or a beginner or an advanced trader and you are looking whereby you can backtest your strategy and see if it's working, my first priority, I will give you XNES. If you can go to your Chrome and search xnes.com, you will encounter an XNES link whereby you will click it and it will show you this page. This is an XNES web trading terminal. So you can come here and extend this to be larger so you can backtest your strategy. For example, you want to backtest XNES, you will only click here at the replay or backtesting, and then you come and cut from here where you want to start. If you want to backtest, so you do it. It's just a simple, very clear and simple. So you can see. Okay, I did something wrong, so let me repeat it. You come here where there's a bar replay, and then you click where you want to start your backtesting to see how your strategy works, and then you can play using this, what they call forward. So you have this doji candlestick here, and then you play another second candlestick. This is a bullish candlesticks. So you can see this is like a morning star. A morning star means that the market is going to rise up. So you can see this is a bearish candlestick, and this side between this bearish and bullish candlesticks, we have this doji candlestick. I don't know if I will call it doji or intuitional candlesticks, because it doesn't have any body, it's just a wick. So you will choose where to enter. So as for me, as long as I have seen this, I'll come and place my entry here and my stop loss down to this, down here under that doji candlesticks, and then my risk is 1:3. So there, that's 1:3. So I'll have to replay it. This is how you can backtest on XNES, and you can see my trade has hit TP. So let us go to the second option. Second option is FX replay. So if you go to your Chrome and write fxreplay.com, you will encounter a link that on the top. You will click that link and it will bring you to this web page, or this page. This is their page, FX replay. So after doing that, you will just sign in or get started. So after you click sign in, I already have it, so I don't need to sign in because I already installed the app inside my PC. So you can see this is my name and this is my picture, and I already have this testing. This is just a testing, so you can backtest your strategy during back session that you want, and you can also backtest your strategy using a prop firm session. And you also have a tutorial. When you click here, you'll see the tutorials whereby it will direct you how to backtest it. And you can come here you can go live. You have more strategies. So you can come here and see the strategy. You will unlock the strategies that you want if you need to change your strategy. So you can come here, click here, and you learn more about strategies. So they also have, I think, indicators. They educate you. They have the education if you need to learn Forex about Forex, or how to place a trade, setting a session, up a session. They will teach you everything. It's here, interactive walkthrough. So you choose what you want using the backtesting journal, how to use it. So they have their educational videos, FXR, Mentor, AI. So you have also an AI here. Yeah, everything's here. So next thing, and also before I go to another step, you can also change from dark color to the light one. So if you click here, it will come to this white color. So you can see, but I like mostly my page to be dark. So that's about backtesting website that I know that can help you to backtest if you want to see how your strategies is working before you deposit your money into a real account to risk it, to make money. So you need to backtest your strategy and be 100% sure with it. So the next thing is where to journal your trades. So after you have backtested, you have a live account, and then you want to take your capital to the next level. You want to grow your capital. You also have to journal your trades and see how your account is growing. So you will come and also open your Chrome, write the name traderwaves.com. So here you'll be able to do many things. You'll be able to track your trades. You'll be able to see what you are doing wrong if your account is dropping or growing. So